Hail the size of a golf ball hit Ashburton as thunderstorms swept across Middle Canterbury. Rocks, some the size of a $2 coin, caused the residents of Ashburton to flee for cover around this afternoon, and as the storm moved north of the city, cars were seen turning off the highway looking for trees to hide under. The storm was accompanied by prolonged periods of thunder and lightning and brought hail, according to some residents, the size of a golf ball. Many workers in downtown Ashburton returned to their machines after work wondering what damage they would find. Fortunately, most of this was minor, but there have been reports of broken glass in greenhouses. Other residents reported damage to property and vehicles. The hail also caused minimal damage to the crops for the county's farmers. Damage, localized in a narrow strip, very close to Ashburton. There will be relief tonight and tomorrow. There will be a few rainstorms tomorrow, and the risk of hail will be low in the morning.
Whoa! Big hailstorm!